Welcome to the Phasor Fixed Bit Drill Hands-On Demo. Turn the adjustable stopper's cap on its base for desired skull thickness, about 2 millimeters more than seen on a CT scan, for example, with length revealed fully upon turning. Holding the stopper against the skull means perpendicularity and no scalp retractor is needed for drilling. Stabilize top and bottom turning stopper parts with fingers, meaning no inadvertent depth error should occur, with 50-pound tested stopper sleeve anti-plunging protection. Only for very thick skulls, 20 millimeters or more, use the Allen key and tighten, not loosen, the set screw. Pushing the set screw deeper allows the outer sleeve to disengage, revealing the inner stopper, which can be adjusted to the desired depth and has been tested to withstand at least 5 pounds. With over 32,000 proper use cases without any reported plunging, these statistics for the stopper sleeve are unparalleled. Visit us for more at phazorhealth.com.